Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa. Excuse the bad manners. That's like the. Oh, excuse me. This. Wow. Residual burps, y'all. Oh, yeah. Baja Blast is totally the best. I love it. Man, those burps.